two big talking points of the night, and Jett Lawrence involved in both of them. And this one right here, probably the worst of the two, at least for him physically and point finishing wise. That is obviously the first T-bone he's ever experienced so far, at least as far as I know. And he got the full Bam Bam experience coming out of that corner, cutting down super shallow, which depends on what side of this you fall on. One, it's either he cut down way too shallow, or two, Barsha was coming way too hot into that corner. Depends on where you are. He ended up staying down for a little while and then getting up and doing this, kind of just rolling around for last place. I don't know. I guess hoping that somebody else would fall. And Honda did put out a little statement saying, quote, Jett Lawrence was on track for a podium finish until a collision in the final moto pushed him back to the 8th overall in the race standings. The left side of his body is beat up and bruised, but it's yet to be determined if anything is actually broken. And I've seen a lot of things, like I said it myself. I don't understand why he ever continued to roll around in last place. Like, at worst, somebody else is going to fall and you get, one extra position. You're probably not gaining anything here. Just pull off, take the last place, and, go sit on the bus and rest. Because after that, who knows? You guys say, good job for Barsha at the end of the race. You can see coming up, talking to him. Didn't look like it was bad. I mean, considering or compared to that, Barsha and him compared to Ando and him, much different conversation. And they rolled away. They didn't look like it was angry, but as far as I know. And it's one of those things that, it depends on what side of the fence you fall on. Like I said, either some people are saying he cut down way too early. I mean, it is the first lap of a supercross race. Like, people are going to be coming in fast. Like, taking that line is dangerous, I guess you could call it. But who knows? Hopefully he's not injured and he doesn't lose a championship over that. But it's one of those things that it's racing. I don't think that was intentional. I don't think that was a bad gesture move of like Jake or Justin Barsha trying to take him out or anything. I think it was just one of those things. He was trying to go super far inside and Lawrence cut down super fast, and it just happened the way it did. But I don't know, you guys tell me. Comments below, give me your opinions on it. Justin Barsha is the worst rider ever, or you hate Lawrence for being him. Depends on where you fall. A lot of people hate both because it's just you're annoyed with Lawrence for being the popular guy now and getting all of the attention or whatever, or you hate Justin Barsha for being him. I don't know. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. St. Louis a good race. You like Triple Crown. You whatever. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.